Good morning, my friends. Today we are going to walk through how to set up Starlink. For all those people who buy homes and think, how will I work from home? How will I take a remote job? I want to be out in the middle of nowhere. You will never have to ask yourself again how you will access the internet because everyone can get Starlink. Let's go. Step number one, you have to go to starlink.com and buy the device. If you're looking for a mobile Starlink where you can attach it to your RV or keep it in your car, go backpacking, ski resort, hiking, whatever you want, anywhere in the United States, then you're going to want a Starlink Mini mobile. That will run you around $500 to $550 and $50 a month. But if you're looking for one for your home because you live somewhere and you cannot get internet, then it's $349 and still $50 a month. So just to go through what comes in the box with no additional cost would be the actual Starlink device itself, which is a built-in wireless router connecting to satellites. This is if you have a pole that you're going to basically attach it to. You can kind of see right here that it would go on a pole, but you do not need to use that. The other is a plug that you're going to plug into your car if you're mobile, your RV if you're mobile, or if you're not near or using your car, comes with a 49-foot cable that you can run to anything nearby that you can plug into. So for purposes of this demo, I'm going to put it on the back of my car because this is what the average person would do when you're in a desperate situation where you absolutely need internet, which by the way is any moment of our day. And for people that are wondering, it's actually pretty windy today, and this thing is pretty heavy, so it will not fall off your car. Please don't drive with it. This goes into the back. The other part of the plug goes into the plug itself. Like I said, 49 feet. You can drag it anywhere. We're actually just gonna get this baby working right here in the back of my car. Now, if you get desperate like I do sometimes, you could just pull into someone's driveway and literally use a plug that's on the side of their house, like I might have done right now. This is probably not my driveway, but that's okay, because when you need internet, you will do anything. Hello, my friends. I'm about to demo how to and how much it costs to get Starlink and set it up in a remote location. Plus, I'm going to do a tour of a house that's coming up on the market that you are not going to want to miss. Let's go. So I clicked on my Starlink app and opened it up for the first time. And I'm going to say Start Setup. Now, I actually purchased a Mini, which is what you were looking at. I'm going to confirm. It says find a clear view of sky. You will need to be outdoors with a completely clear view of sky to stay connected to satellites. But well, let's see, because we have clouds. Check for obstruction. Find an open area, go outside, stand where you're intended to set up your Starlink, which I am, and scan the entire sky. Use your device's camera to explore your Starlink entire field of view. Okay, so it looks like I can stream video, I can web browse, I can make video calls, and I cannot do online gaming, but I'm okay with that. Now it says to plug in the Starlink, which I've already done. Connect your Starlink Wi-Fi network in your device's settings and come back. Okay, it took a minute, but it connected. Your device is connected to Starlink. It just took a couple times for me to push the button and attempt. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar, this one that I purchased up to 50 gig per month of data usage, which is, by the way, like literally like 400 and some hours of web browsing, 3,000 hours of streaming video, so I doubt you're going to go over it. But if you do, you can pay $120 a month for unlimited data. after it connected, and now it's calculating orientation. Okay, so it took a minute to basically align with satellites, and it said connected, and now it says online. So technically I can now connect any laptop, phone, or device. By the way, you can have up to like 140 devices or something connected at once, and start using internet, stream, and make phone calls, and anything else I want to do out in the middle of nowhere. Okay, people, this is amazing. Okay, so now that we have connected and I named my network and I set a password, now we're going to do a speed test of this device. Speed test of Starlink. There you go. I'll run it again. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. A little bit slacker. Okay. And there you go. Now 150 different people can connect to my Starlink and use internet anywhere they want.